Hi, I'm Carmina and welcome to theCut University. How well do you really know your clients and how are you keeping track of them? Other than what time your client is scheduled to be in your chair or what kind of cut they want, what do you actually know about them? Are they single, married, divorced? Do they have kids? Are they boys or girls? How many? What kind of relationship do they have with their kids? Are they on the straight and narrow path or are they professionally single? Are they sneakerheads? Do they dress to impress? Are clothes just a necessity to get through the day? Do they come to the shop on a bike, truck, motorcycle? Do they drive from point A to point B? Or do they pull up to their appointment looking like something out of a James Bond flick? What do they do for a living? What's their favorite team? What's their favorite food? By now, I think you get the point. The more you know about your client, the better you're able to communicate with them, the better you'll be able to connect with them, and the easier it'll be to keep them. You can better gauge their mood when they sit in your chair, and you know how to or how not to direct the conversation. The better you are at knowing your clients, the better you'll be at upselling them, and if they have more business or referrals they can throw your way, they'll do it freely. All this boils down to providing the best customer service. You're creating and maintaining a relationship, and the best relationships are those where you put in the work. So put in the work to get to know your client. This is more about than just getting a fresh cut. They need to trust you as much as they trust their doctor, pastor, or good friends, if not more, especially if you're hooking them up for their wedding or maybe even their divorce party. This will do wonders for establishing your brand. The reviews you get and having the experience you provide speak for itself, so that your reputation precedes you and guarantees that your books are full. But here's the thing, unless you have a photographic memory or one of those people who never forget anything, how are you supposed to keep all this information straight from one client to the next? Taking notes with apps on your phone can be an organizational nightmare in the long run. Who has time to go back and forth between apps when time is literally money? With theCut, it's easy for you to keep notes on your clients. A simple way to do this is to jot down whatever stood out to you as meaningful in the note section of your customer's profile on theCut. What you'll do is click into your address book, choose your client. Under their phone number is a section for notes. Select and input the notes you'd like to have for future appointments. The best time to do this is immediately when checking out your client. Your conversation is fresh on the top of your mind and you won't miss any details. Or you can take a few minutes between clients to update your customer's profile section with any new info you may have learned, and then revisit the next time they're in your chair. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video where we dig into auto comments and how to use them. Thank you for watching theCut U. Hit the link below to download theCut today and start your 15-day free trial. Join the other 10,000 barbers who are actively getting discovered by new clients and managing their schedules and transactions. Please hit that subscribe bell, like the video, and share with someone you think will benefit from what we've shared with you today.